The Weirlo, that's the way they call it. They hear them at night time. They're a real spirit bird. They can tell you when there is a death. When I hear them, all through the week, even now, they come around with. When they don't get savage, it's all right. There's nothing wrong. But when there's a death, in the family, in the town, they get really fierce and horrible, real mournful sound it is, just like they're crying, and they can get really, really frightening it is, with the old Weirlo. They are a spirit bird. And the old mopoke, he's another one, they say don't harm them, they're not going to hurt you. They'll come around and tell you things. And we respect all of that.